The Seven Deadly Sins and the Four Last Things is a famous painting by Hieronymus Bosch, a Dutch Renaissance artist. Created around 1485, it's a triptych, meaning it consists of 3 panels. Each panel conveys a distinct narrative, and the piece as a whole serves as a moral allegory. The Seven Deadly Sins. The left panel of the triptych focuses on the concept of the 7 deadly sins: lust, gluttony, greed, sloth, wrath, envy, and pride. Each sin is represented in a vivid and often grotesque manner, illustrating the consequences and spiritual perils associated with them. The Four Last Things. The right panel explores the 4 last things, a common theme in Christian theology. These are death, judgment, heaven, and hell. Bosch's interpretation of these concepts is both imaginative and haunting. He paints vivid depictions of tormented souls in hell, presenting the consequences of a life dominated by sin. The central panel serves as a transitional space between the sins on the left and the punishment in hell on the right. In this panel, Bosch presents a world caught between sin and its consequences. Christ appears in the sky, and an angel gazes at him in prayer, representing the hope of salvation and divine judgment. The Seven Deadly Sins and the Four Last Things is a remarkable artwork known for its intricate detail, vivid symbolism, and moral commentary. Bosch's unique style and imaginative portrayal of sin and salvation have made this triptych an enduring subject of fascination and study in the realm of art history and theology. It continues to captivate viewers and scholars alike, offering rich insights into the cultural and religious context of the late medieval period.